Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to install 10.25-inch stand-up Android screen for BMW 5 Series F10 F11. This is the stand-up screen with much better view angle, and this is anti-reflection IPS screen. It's the original BMW screen. I'm gonna show you how to replace with Android screen step by step. Okay, let's get started. First of all, pry out the air vent trim panel with the pry tool. Remove the air vent panel and disconnect this cable at the back of panel. Unbuckle the white connector carefully. Unplug the other two small connectors as well. Remove the screws with screwdriver. Be careful that the screws may fall inside the car, so you'd better collect them and put them in the storage box. Remove the BMW display. Disconnect the LVDS. Unplug all the cables at the back of BMW display. Now we're gonna start to disassemble the air conditioner panel and CD control panel. Remove the screws of the radio panel first. Pry out the whole panel with the pry tool. Well, let's unbuckle the blue connector carefully and disconnect the cable. And then disconnect another cable in the same way. You can see the original BMW CD head unit after removing the CD control panel. Unscrew both sides to remove the CD head unit. BMW typically adopts APPLE or Harman Kardon head unit. This is the APPLE unit. Here you can find plenty of harness behind the CD head unit. Disconnect the power connector from the APPLE unit. Let's go to find out the Android power cable from Hi-Fi Max accessories. This is the Android power cable which we're gonna connect to BMW power cable. Please pay attention that there are optical fiber cables in BMW power cable. Remove these two green wires from the original BMW cable with tweezer. Insert these green wires to Android power cable. The critical point you must follow is the correct location and direction. Now we connect Android male connector to BMW female connector. And then make the cable go through this hole and go through another smaller hole. This is the white connector heading for Android screen. Next, let's install USB cable. The destination of USB ports are basically inside the glove box. So the USB cable is supposed to go through the hole in glove box. There is a small hole there, and pull the USB cable near Android power cable. Here I'm gonna install the GPS antenna and 4G antenna. Let's make them go through the same hole in glove box slowly. Pull it out and get it ready together with other cables. Well done! We have located all the cables already. Well, it's time to connect the cables to the back of Android screen. Reminder again, please make sure your car is power off, battery is disconnected in fuse box for safety. Connect LVDS cable firstly. Screw up the 4G antenna tightly. And then plug USB cable. Connect GPS antenna. And finally, plug in power cable. Organize a bunch of cables behind the Android screen. Push them inside space. You also need to organize and push the cables inside a little bit to make way for APPLE CD head unit. Screw up until you can't feel the pressure behind the CD head unit. Screw up the APPLE head unit tightly. Buckle the cable back to the AC panel. It is well fastened with a snap. And it is the same for blue connector. Buckle up. It is very important to organize the cables. It may cause short circuit if the cables are squeezed or pressed. Push the air conditioner panel back to the car console. Double check the alignment at both sides. Okay, good job. It matches perfectly right now. And screw up tightly for air conditioner panel. Wow, we are almost there. I'm so excited because we are gonna to install the 10.25-inch stand-up Android screen for BMW. But we must be very careful here. There are two buckles at the back of the Android screen. Must fix them inside the console. It is so amazing. Perfect. 100% match. Let's screw up to fix the Android screen. Next, install the air vent trim panel. Don't forget to connect all the cables to the back of air vent panel. Buckle up the whole air vent panel. Generally speaking, we install GPS antenna, 4G antenna right there at the corner of windshield near the A pillar. Pry out the cover at the right hand side of the car. There is a hole there. Make the GPS 4G Wi-Fi antenna go through the glove box. You can keep USB cable inside the glove box, but other cables go through the hole. Pull out the cables. Go up and put here, near the windshield. Peel off 3M paste and stick in car. And then install the cover back to the right hand side. USB cable can be put either inside or outside the glove box, just according to your preference. Okay, let's power on the car. and turn on the brand new Android screen. It keeps all the original BMW functions. The iDrive can work as before. For an example, when you press menu button on the iDrive, you will go to the main menu of BMW original menu. Touch the screen, switch to Android menu immediately. That's all today. Thanks for watching.